Updating your legal name on OneSpace is a straightforward process that can be completed quickly. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated efficiently. Step 1. Log into your OneSpace account. Access your OneSpace account by entering your username and password. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option in the main menu. Click on it to access your profile information. Step 3. Select Name Change option. In the Account Settings section, find the option for Name Change or Update Legal Name. Click on this option to proceed with the update. Step 4. Provide required documentation. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Submit your request. After uploading the necessary documents, review your information for accuracy and click the Submit button. You should receive a confirmation email once your request has been processed. Once you have completed these steps, your legal name will be updated on OneSpace. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.